Marking an invoice as paid in Zoho Books is a simple process that allows you to keep track of payments. Here's how to do it. Log into Zoho Books. Open your browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Enter your credentials and log in. Navigate to the Sales tab. Once logged in, click on the Sales tab from the left-hand menu. Select Invoices. Under the Sales section, click Invoices to see a list of all your invoices. Find the invoice. Locate the invoice you want to mark as paid. You can search for it using the invoice number or the customer's name. Open the invoice. Click on the invoice number to open the detailed page for that specific invoice. Click on Record Payment. On the invoice page, look for the Record Payment button, typically at the top right corner of the invoice screen. Enter payment details. A payment form will pop up. Enter the payment method, amount paid, and the payment date. You can also choose to split payments if necessary. Save payment. After filling in the payment details, click Save or Record Payment to mark the invoice as paid.